In this video, we are going to discuss about wait condition. So mm, it's easy to deploy a stack and all the resources will be created at their particular time. And if they lag somewhere, the stack will be failed. But what if we know this situation and we know that this instance creation or this DB instance creation is going to take some time, maybe 5, 10, or 15 minutes, and we put a wait condition there so that it waits for that particular time, and then once the creation is completed and it gets a confirmation, then it will mark the stack as complete. So the same we are going to achieve here by using this wait handle and wait condition web server instance. So let's first discuss this wait conditions of an instance. So what it is going to do is it's telling that the type is wait condition, AWS CloudFormation wait condition, and it depends on web server instance. So the web server instance is the web instance that will be created. So let me go there. So if you see here resources, we are just creating a web server instance. So once this condition is fulfilled, once the web server instance is created, it will wait for 300 seconds, and if it's not created within 300 seconds, then it will mark it as failed. So let's go to the resource once again. So if you see here, we are getting this CloudFormation signal, and the output will be stored in this dollar comma sign. And if the output is 0, that means the stack has been created. That means the instance has been created successfully. Otherwise, it's not. So whatever the result is, it will be given to wait handle web server instance, and that will finally give the signal whether this stack is completed successfully or not. So that is why we need two conditions here. First is wait handle, and another one is wait condition. The wait handle is nothing but HTTP URL. So it will be fetched, and whatever the output it has got, depending on that, it will mark the stack as complete or failed. And wait condition is just providing the timeout time. So that is in this case 300 seconds, 5 minutes. So if within this time limit the instance is not created, then the wait handle URL will be unsuccessful and the stack will be marked as unsuccessful. So now let's go to CloudFormation, and we will just create an instance out of this. So here I am at the CloudFormation service. I'll just create a new stack. I'll select a template from my machine. Okay, so I need to give some name and password. User instant type is T2 micro, that's fine. Key name and location. I'm opening this tool that is just a test, so I'm not bothered much. Again, key and value. This is optional, so I'm not going to give IAM role, and even advanced is not required. No, I don't want to use SNS topic or termination protection or timeout or rollback or stack policy. Nothing is required here. I'll just go ahead and create this stack. Let me just review it once. That's fine. So I'll just hit on create. Okay, so whatever the password I gave is not able to satisfy the constraint. So I'll go back, give the password again. Okay, again it's telling it failed to. Let me check the Password policy. Okay, so now I gave a correct password and the creation is in progress. So let's see the events. Okay, something went wrong. Okay, it's telling the key name is not correct. Yeah, that's fine. Let me just go again and check what are the keys we have available. Okay, I'll just create a key pair. Okay, I've created this key pair. Again, I'll go and change the key pair name. Again, I'll repeat the same steps, and here I'll select the key what we have. Next, next, and then it should be fine. Okay, again it's in progress. Let's wait for some time until it is completed. Okay, again we have some issue. Okay, there is some issue with the account, so that is not we have to look after. So but I just wanted to show you that this the whole process. So it the EC2 instance was created, and then the wait condition, the wait handle was activated, and it would have given a successful message if the EC2 instance was successfully created within the wait time. So that is what I wanted to show you, but there is some issue with the account, and the account is currently blocked, so we can see that later. But this is how you're going to use the wait condition.